Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi. We're looking at number 6. Grant earned $68 for working 4 1/4 hours at his mother's office. What was Grant's rate of pay? Now, rate of pay means what did he get dollars per hour? So that's dollars per 1 hour is what we're trying to figure out. So when we set up our proportion, let's have our top numbers be talking about dollars and the denominators be talking about hours. And this is the ratio that's given, the 68 to 4 1/4. Now we have a couple of ways that we can consider solving this, but let's try the idea of using cross products. So this cross product right here would be 68 times 1, which we can do in our head. That would be 68, and that's going to equal this cross product, because remember, equivalent ratios have equivalent cross products. Now, instead of using this version of 4 1/4, I'm going to write it as its improper fraction equivalent, which would be 17/4. So 17/4 times D will equal $68. Now, whenever you're solving an equation where you're dealing with fractions, then you would say to yourself, what's the opposite of multiplying a variable by 17/4? It would be dividing by that, and multiplying by the reciprocal is the same as dividing. So basically, we're taking the reciprocal of this value and multiplying it on both sides. So that's 4/17 over here, and that's 4/17 over here. On this side of the equation, this will all cancel out. It'll equal 1. 1 times D is going to equal D. So the only thing left you have to do, and it might be easier to stick a 1 underneath this, is you just have to find the product of these two things. Now ask yourself, does 17 go into 68? Does it go in? If we do 68 and divide that by 17, does that work out evenly? And it does, right? So there's your evidence. It goes into that 1 time, and it goes into that 4 times. So the only thing you need to do to finish this up is just find the product of this number times this number, and if we divide that by 1, you'll get the same number.